soil.
Where are we losing a leg there? Why is she not?
France? Yeah.
Or that one. No, it's actually the one at your side there, Mark.
Burned right,
They're both
burned right through.
They both burn right through.
Right, okay. So what do we do then?
Get a new one.
No, we don't. We'll just move these out. Try and flatten it out a wee bit.
Okay.
Stick it in, okay? Now, use one of your sticks to adjust it, if you have to. Okay, this is ideally what you want to do. You'll not get burned there, alright? But just hold it over the thing.
Throw that flame. There's a bit.
You can
See all that fire escaping out that side. See if you can here direct it over.
see those flames over the side there, Clinton? They seem a wee bit harder. So try not to burn your hand off. That's it.
Stack this up. Keep it all in one spot.
So what I would do, start blowing into it, put more oxygen into it.
Yeah.
Because you'll make it hotter, which will increase the boiling. You've still got a good amount of wood left there. That's it.
Whoa! Just like a furnace, to keep pumping the air into it.
I think I see bubbles in there, boys.
You set it down
Maybe
and
just
check.
a reflection. You'll have to hold it, it'll not sit.
Just set it in the ground, sorry.
Maybe you'll lose all your heat then.
Right.
Just look into the crack.
Try it with your knife. Make your hand.
That's not too hot. Yeah, it is, I can see bubbles, it is bubbling.
Right, what consists of boiling? Have you a thermometer there?
You need to get a rolling boil if you can, lads. You've done very well. Right, so we've got a lot of wood there that's not doing anything,
Yeah.
which we can increase the heat with. Okay. Sometimes even just lifting the fire up a wee bit can get in air underneath, you know. I think there's a bit there, it's not really too much. There's a bit there, it's not too much.
What do we say? There's more flames just
Yeah.
here. Mark, if you just
Oh,
put
okay.
Whoa! Just hold it there, we say. I'll blow in from the other side and see if I can push the heat that direction.
Okay, probably move it in there a wee bit, mate. So ideally you want that's what you're
Definitely seen lots of wee bubbles starting to form.
Yeah. Remember, try to get the flames all around it, not just one side. So move it in if you have to, that's it.
It's hard that remaining tripod in the way to maximise.
Yeah, tilt it side a second. Move out of the way a second.
There we go.
That'll be it.
Oh, I can feel the bubbles starting to.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So you vibrating?
Hear that? Oh yeah, it's my phone.
Can you hear the
But
bubbles?
can you hear the? I can feel them too.
Set it down. Set it down.
Sit in the mud there.
Right, open her up.
How do you?
Quick. Just push the handle down, lift it up.
Throw it back down.
I would say that
It was bubbling.
it's just leave the thing off. Leave it off.
Okay.
Now put it back on. It'll come back to the boil really quickly if it was boiling. That's it. Get lots of oxygen into it.
Here she comes.
Jesus, you set a piece there.
And there I go. Yeah, look at it.
Ah, that's boiling. How did I just get the wee zoom in here to this?
Yes! John Copper. John a cuppa.